Hello everybody and welcome. Another day, another destination. Ended up in this place called Pattaya City in beautiful Thailand. I'm not gonna show you where to go, what to do, all the sites. I'm gonna leave that up to you. What I would like to show you is how to take the public transit. I kind of just discovered and learned this myself, and I think everybody can benefit. Save a couple of dollars on public transit in Pattaya. So, what are those quirks about the buses in Pattaya? Well, first of all, they're not really buses, they're pickup trucks. That's right, pickup trucks. Flag them down, get in, sit down, and hold on. You're in the truck, you want to get off. All you gotta do is press the buzzer. There's about 6 buzzers on the ceiling. Get out, walk to the passenger side, and hand them the fare. The fare is 10 baht. As of January 2020, exchange is about $1, 30 baht. Okay, one very important thing to remember about these trucks/buses. You're on the street, you see one come in, and it's empty. Don't get too excited. Don't even look at it. Do not get in it. Don't talk to the driver. Don't answer any questions. The driver's gonna stop. They're gonna smile. They're gonna ask you where you're going. They're gonna invite you inside. Don't do it. Walk away. Don't even talk to them. What's going on here is you're gonna be the only one. They're gonna take you straight to your destination if you tell them where you're going. And they're gonna treat you like you just chartered the whole vehicle. And of course, it's not gonna be cheap at the end. Keep that in mind. Empty truck, stay away. Okay, you know how to use public transit in Pattaya? Let's go for a ride.
มันยุคไอทีวัดลง PCG เลยต้องขึ้นสเตตัสนะไม่มีไรมากอยากชวนมาเข้าวัดทำบุญตามนัดนะพรุ่งนี้วันพระยุคนี้ชักช้าไม่ได้แล้วเด็กแว้นเด็กแนวเดียวจะลืมธรรมะเล่นโซเชียลทั้งวันไม่ลดละฝากญาติโยมด้วยนะช่วยกันแชร์ออกไป Facebook ทวิต IG ทางไลน์ก็ดีเอาที่สบายใจศาสนาผ่านคลิปมากมายคำคมสอนใจโพสต์ออกไปมากมีเจริญพรญาติโยมที่มากดแชร์เจริญพรญาติโยมที่มากดไลค์เจริญพรญาติโยมคอมเมนต์ถูกใจวัดก็มี Wi-Fi วัดลง PCG ไอ้ยุคนี้โซเชียลมาแรงอยากจะมาออกแถลงขอความเห็นใจที่ขายครีมขายยาหญิงชายอยากบอกว่าขอบายอย่าแท็กมัน